Pat, I see you. Oh. Scared to get your corn? Is Pat intimidating you? I think he's taking a nap. Pat, why are you hiding? Nope, there's another one. I feel like the squirrels, I've fed them. These corn-fed squirrels are like half the size of Pat. Hi, Pat. I'm talking about you. Oh, you doing your chirps? You want some pets? For being a good boy, for not eating my squirrels? Good they? I don't know what you are. Okay. Are you just watching the scenario, Alfred? You say hi? Hi. Are you busy? Hi. Ronan, what are you doing down there? Okay, let's go say hi to Pat real quick. Hi, Pat. Hi. Big stretch. Hi. Are you being a good boy? Thank you for not eating my squirrels. Thank you. You're so good. You finished the food I put out almost. Why don't you finish that? You don't want a squirrel. You want whatever that is. You want me to put more liquid in it? In your little water dish? Okay, I know, little headbutts. Hold on. Hold on, I don't want to wet you. Whoop. Here. Look at that. Look. Did I make it palpable for you again? Yeah. Hi. Yes, you did a sweet boy. Here you go. Thank you for not eating my squirrels. Can we say that? You're getting stared at by all the kitties in there. Say have a good morning. Yeah. And I'm a good boy. And that's all we get. I gotta get to work. Oh, you want treats in your house? You want treats in your house? You look so much like Ronan's uncle. Oh, the purrs. We got the purrs. There you go. Look at that. I know you like the moisture, so you enjoy. Say bye. Thanks for not eating the squirrels. Put a squirrel emoji in the comments if you're also happy that I didn't have to be traumatized this morning. Yeah.